Every customer gets a 15-year, 150,000-mile warranty included on every qualified new vehicle. Shazam! Don't be fooled paying those big city prices to those big city dealers so they can pay for those big city dealerships. We call that fast-talking mumbo-jumbo down here. Nobody beats our prices, and I mean nobody. Compare our prices online at ShazamAuto.com because you deserve the best deal. That's right, and we'll trade anything from old weight sets to swing sets, because that's just how we roll. Be American, buy Murray Ford Superstores. Come see me, Dale Murray, in Stark or Kingsland. I'll be waiting for you. And remember, at any Murray Superstore, it's all about you. Shazam!
Boss, have you heard the latest about the ding-dong doorbell cameras?
What, more employees spying on customers?
Nope.
Hackers again?
No, boss, this time they had to recall over 350,000 video doorbells.
Recall? What happened?
A bunch of them caught fire.
Whoa, unbelievable. It's one thing after another with that.
Yeah. Well, you never hear that with Safe Touch's video cameras.
Well, now you're just comparing a Bentley with a bumper car.
Exactly. I just don't understand why any homeowner wouldn't go with Safe Touch.
Yeah, their video monitoring's virtually hack-proof. Oh, and here's a bonus. Safe Touch cameras don't burst into flame.
No kidding.
It's just a good thing not everyone knows about Safe Touch, because we gotta stick to the Crooks R Us golden rule. Stay away from Safe Touch houses.
Yeah, don't gotta tell me twice.
Crooks know to stay away from Safe Touch houses. Hi, I'm Lester Jackson, president of Safe Touch Security Systems. No one beats our technology or our price.
Call Safe Touch today at 888-723-8682 or go to safetouch.com. State license number EF233.
Sometimes in business, the unexpected comes calling. From rent increases to increased orders to, I'm gonna say it, unprecedented times. But don't bounce back. Bounce forward with Comcast Business. Bounce forward fast with internet speeds up to a gig. With the flexibility to update your bandwidth in just a few clicks. And with security solutions that help keep your connected devices protected. Be fast, be flexible, be ready for what's next. And bounce forward with Comcast Business. Help your business to bounce forward with this amazing offer. Get a powerful and reliable internet and voice solution from Comcast Business. Starting at $35 each a month for 24 months for 2 years when you buy both. Call 1-800-501-6000 or go to ComcastBusiness.com today to find out more. Offer ends 1/3/2021. Restrictions apply. Limited to new Comcast Business 35 megabits per second internet, one voice mobility customers. Early termination fee applies. Enrollment in EcoBill and autopay required. Equipment, installation, taxes, and fees extra, subject to change.
Come to Monahan Jewelers' 43rd annual holiday sale now with 30% off on GIA certified diamonds and up to 40% off our entire store. Certified diamonds, gemstones, engagement rings, diamond studs, designer brands. Monahan's has it all. We're not a big box store. We're your local family jeweler with an amazing hand-picked inventory. Monahan's has jewelry for every budget with interest-free financing. Enjoy beautiful jewelry with a low monthly payment. Support your local family jeweler this Christmas with up to 40% off our entire inventory. Monahan Jewelers in Atlantic Beach.
The weather meter is brought to you by Beard's Diamonds. Hurry, save up to 40% off store-wide through this Thursday.
Now, the WOKV First Alert Forecast.
At 9 on the WOKV weather meter. Good deal of sun today. Mild temperatures reach the 70s inland, but only in the 60s at the beaches. Some areas of fog tonight, especially closer to the coast. Partly cloudy and mild otherwise. Dropping into the 50s early this evening and rising temperatures later tonight. Becoming mostly cloudy, breezy, and warm tomorrow with heavy afternoon and early evening showers and storms spreading rapidly west to east.